Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today we have my Ipsy Plain Glam Bag. I hate to say plain because it's probably one of my favorites, but it is the $12 original bag, 5 products included, usually 5 deluxe samples, sometimes some full sizes in here, and it's usually really good, especially for the $12. And so let's get in here and see what I've got. So my other boxes did not have their cards this month, so we will see if this one does. And if it doesn't, I will once again get into my Ipsy app and we'll go from there. This is sealed so well. Tell you what, I'm going to start working out just to be able to open up all these boxes. All right, I have a lot of stuff on the outside. I must have done add-ons this month. Did I do add-ons? I'm going to pour everything out and we'll go from there. All right, that seems to be everything. I am so pleased. This is the bag. And when I opened the Ipsy Ultimate, it was this fabric and it's such a soft velour pinky fabric and it is so pretty. And I love the little burgundy-ish, purpley-ish interior. And when I opened my Ipsy Plus, and I'll put the link for all of these up here, it was a different, almost just plasticky bag, and I was disappointed that it wasn't this. So I am so pleased that this is that super soft pink velour. This is definitely going in my purse. I'm gonna reach in since I have it open and see if this, all right, so yay. This tells us what I have on the inside, which is really great news because I'm not sure if any of this is add-ons. So let's just go ahead and dig right in. So I definitely have more products in front of me than would have come in this bag, so I have to have done add-ons. That's what I get for putting this off till the end of the month. But with vacation, what are you gonna do? So we will go by the paperwork and then we'll know what's extra. So the very first thing on here is the Beauty Crop Pineapple Powder Brush, F203, and that is this. It is the coloring of a lot of the SL Miss Glam brushes that I have been getting, but it doesn't seem to have the rhinestones, so that's the difference. I love that it's pink and blue, so it's going downstairs. So here's what it looks like, and look, it has a little picture of a pineapple. They called it a pineapple, and the back says that it is the F203 powder. This is definitely a synthetic. It feels a little, let's read about it. This says, truth, when we get our hands on a makeup brush that's pretty and effective, we never let go. Use this ombre pink and blue powder brush to apply loose and pressed setting powders, powder foundation, blush, or bronzer, and set makeup to NYX shine throughout the day. Plus, it is 100% cruelty-free. And it says that it has a $13 value. I mean, it's super pretty. We'll have to see how it picks up makeup. Okay, I think everything else that was on the outside is an add-on, so I'm just gonna reach into the bag for what is next. And it is the Pedal to the Metal Va Va Vroom Cream Eyeshadow. And that is what the packaging looks like. Don't you just love the look of the Balm products? That is so cute. And that is the color. It's kind of a coppery, almost exactly, this should be called Copper Penny. Doesn't that look just like a penny? I hope it's coming across as that. And the color is Turbo. Let's see what the paperwork says. The Balm Pedal to the Metal in Shift into Overdrive Turbo. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and this shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. The rose gold with silver flecks blend like a dream, and it's a totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. If it was a full size, it would be $29.50. Well, let's see what, oh, it is. It's a cream. It's definitely a cream. And now that I've taken my finger across it, I'm gonna try and get this close enough. You can see that there's a little more silver fleck in it. And you can definitely see the silver fleck when you put it on. I hope that's coming across. That is really pretty. I like that. See, that's what I'm saying. The original one is just usually so good. These are my new glasses from Disney World. See, they have little Mickeys on them. They're a little wider than glasses I usually choose. We'll have to see how we like them. Next, I have Mercy Handy Hand Cream in Hello Sunshine. This is a pretty big sized hand cream. That is what it looks like. It is 1 fluid ounce. Mercy Handy Hand Cream in Hello Sunshine. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamin and fatty acid-rich sweet almond oil to heal dry skin. Look closely. See the tiny yellow dots? Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. Full-size value is $7, but it does not tell us what that would be. Let's see if we can see those. Oh, it's sealed. Yay for them. All right, well, on initial squeezing it out, I don't see the little yellow. Oh, I feel them now. Let's see. Oh, there they are. I don't know if I can get that to you. That's what it looks like. See kind of in the middle how there's some little yellow dots? Let's see. They pop right away once you start blending it in. Oh, it's very bright and, oh, I like that scent. It reminds me of an Avon scent from 100. Oh, wow. My hand is so soft. And now very silver flecky because I just put that moisturizer on top of that nice eyeshadow. I'm putting some more on the other hand. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. You know, I should use hand lotion way more often than I do. I am a compulsive hand washer, and I should probably lotion every time I wash. Oh, that feels so good. Reaching in next, I have an IT Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base. Pore refiner and hydrator all day. That is what that looks like. It's a nice size for a trial. Let us see what the paperwork says. Not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good-for-you ingredients like bark and ginger root extract that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. This oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores. Plus, it's so light you'll barely feel it on your skin. And the full size, which would be 30 mLs, is $39. This is 5 mLs. So what, $6.50, $6.75 for this sample size? Before I use it on me, let's see if it's something I can use. So I've looked this up and technically I could use it, but the third ingredient in it is denatured alcohol. And because my skin tends to be so dry, I really try not to use it, especially when it's that high up in the ingredients. So I'm going to take this and put it over here in this giveaway. Finally got it to stand up right there. And last in the bag, I have the Colored Rain Matte Lip Paint 24/7. And that is what the box looks like. So see, we get full-size products too. And 24/7 seems to be the color. Ooh, it's very pretty. This is what it looks like open. I like both the packaging and the color of the lippy. Let's see what this says. Looking for a lip color you can wear from work to weekend and don't want to dry out your lips in the cold? This creamy liquid formula is for you. The pink liquid lipstick doesn't budge. Seriously, and it dries to a gorgeous matte finish that's 0% drying. Plus, one swipe gives you intense color payoff. Okay, $17 value. Well, let's try it. I have a lip on, but you know what? Let's just put it right over it. That way it can't dry down too much. I will swatch it first for you on my hand so you can see. Wow, it's true color. It's darker than I thought, but I do love that it's pretty much cool. That is super pretty. The doe foot on this wants to almost catch. I don't know. I'm just bringing it up. I don't know why it wants to do that. But it's a very pretty color. I like the color a lot. All right, so that was my full Ipsy bag, but I still have my add-ons. And apparently, I was feeling like I needed some add-ons when we did this because I have 4. The first is a brush. It is the BMX 255 Accentuate from Moda Pro. I got some of these Moda Pro brushes and something else and liked it a lot. And what I liked about this was it looked like a great highlighter brush or for like sweeping under your, oh, it feels so good. I love the feel of these handles on this Moda Pro brush. And then this, I thought, well, I've managed to get lippy on my hand. I thought that this would be perfect for either dusting on highlighter, it's a good size for that, or sweeping after I use a setting powder. And I don't technically bake. I don't leave it on for a long time, but I do put a little more setting powder under there, hoping to settle it so that my concealer doesn't end up in my lines and wrinkles. And this fits. It just fits perfectly in there. So I like this a lot. And I will tell you something else. I finished my sample of my Thrive mascara, and you guys know I love my Thrive mascara. And I have a new full-size Thrive to go into. But when I went to get it off of the shelf that I keep it on, right next to it, I had a, is it Douce mascara. And I thought, you know what? I'm trying something that's different. This is like day 2, and it's out of here. I'm going back to my Thrive. My lashes are so much smaller without the Thrive. I just noticed when I was doing that sweeping view, I have just a spot right here. I don't know if you can see it. That, I guess, is just where, like, maybe my eyes tend to water. Maybe my eye watered, so a little mascara settled there. That never happens with the Thrive. So yeah, time to go back to the Thrive. Slight left turn there, but we're back on track. I also got, and this is unusual, Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC Active Moisturizing Cream with Honey Propolis. And this is the color I chose? I don't believe that. Light to medium. Well, I'm going to assume that before I ordered it, I looked at the ingredients and it's something I can put on. So we're going to go ahead and try it. I will put a little bit on the back of my hand. It looks a little dark like that, but maybe it'll blend out really well. That is what it looks like on my hand. Ooh. Oof. That is what it looks like blended out a little bit. I don't know. Let's put a little bit right on my jawline. Yeah, I'm going to set this aside until summer, although I am fresh off my Florida tan, and I don't know that I ever get any warmer than this, any tanner than this, but it feels fantastic. I love the feel of it, but this is the light to medium, so maybe if they have a fair light, that would work for me, but that feels, yeah, it feels fantastic. I'm actually wearing the Wander that came in, what did it come in, guys? My Ipsy. You know, I've done so many unboxings in the last few days, I'm not even positive, but I got a Wander full-size foundation, and I have been using it and really liking it. I like the way it looks a lot. Anyway, this feels fantastic. The color is not perfect for me, but maybe with an all-over face or blend it into something else, maybe it'll work better like that. Next, and this is, I must have been in a mood. You know, sometimes you go to the store and you think, I don't need anything today. And then sometimes you're like, I want everything. I'm thinking this add-on day might have been a, yeah, I want everything day. This is wrapped up quite nicely. It is an Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. That's what it looks like. I don't even know, guys. I have the new Hourglass Ambient Blush that we got in our Boxy, and I love it. So I'm not actually going to use this yet, but that is the color. It's really pretty. I think it will work for me. Now, we might as well try it. Oh, it's very dry. Oh, I got no color payoff. Did you guys see? I'm like, there's not a lot of color payoff with it. Oh, I guess you can see it better like that. But I do think it's going to be a good color for me. But it's going to be a while because I am loving that ambient blush. Yeah, it is actually a nice color. Okay, and last but not least, I remember picking this because I remember I could not tell from either the words they used or the picture whether it was a matte or a shimmer, and I was hoping that it was a matte because the palettes that come without a basic beige or light tone to go over my eyes with, you know, I put on my paint pot and then I want a real nude tone before I start applying color. I find it helps me with blendability, and this is the perfect color for that. But I couldn't tell whether it was a matte or a shimmer, and I can't use a shimmer for it. So let's get in here. And I think that is so interesting the way it pulls out. It's just cardboard, and this is just thin plastic. But it's neat how they've made it. It's Viseart, by the way, in case I didn't say that, which I don't think I did. It's a nice Viseart color, and I love Viseart. It's shiny, though, but it'll still get used, but it is a shine. Oh, wow. It is a gorgeous shine. That is so pretty. So I'm still so happy that I got it. You could use this for a highlighter, a little bit on the inside. This is gorgeous. Whew. I like that a lot. Not for what I thought I was going to use it for, but still pretty. Okay, that is officially my Glam bag and my add-ons. So in my Glam bag, I got the Beauty Crop brush, the Mercy Handy hand cream, the Color Grain lippy, the Petal to the Metal, kind of the copper eyeshadow, and this It primer, which I'm going to put back in that giveaway. So that is what came in my bag. And then what I added on was the Madison Miller Ofra blush, the Viseart kind of champagne colored eyeshadow, this nice Moda Pro brush, which I love these Moda Pro. I love the feel of the handles. And this Hey Honey CC cream, which the light and the medium, I mean, you can tell it's a pretty dark light to medium. So we'll see what happens when summer comes. All right, guys, so what should we do for an extra entry in the giveaway from this video? Tell you what, tell me who your favorite brushes are. Not even who your favorite brushes are. I won't make you stick to that because I love these Moda Pro brushes, but I love my Sigma blending brush. If you had to rebuy only one of your brushes or recommend to your bestest friend in the whole world one of your favorite brushes, which would it be? I think mine is the Sigma, is it E25, the blending brush? I have 2 or 3 of them. I love them. I use the heck out of them. I like these Moda brushes too, but if I could only pick one, I think it would be that Sigma blending. So let me know below. If you can only pick one of your brushes to love the most and recommend to a friend, which one would it be? Let me know below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.